Hello there. This is Robinson, and I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'll be talking about the th sounds based on Professor Gruber pronunciation workshop. And let's see the th sounds. There are two th sounds in English: the voiced th sounds and the voiced th sound. When you correctly produce the th sounds, you will significantly improve the way you speak English. Besides a few languages, English is one of the only languages in the world that has a th sounds, where your tongue comes out between your teeth. Non-native speaker may have difficult time to pronounce the th sound since it does not exist in their mother tongue. So they do not think to use the sound when they speak English. Very often, non-native speakers substitute the th sound for the t sounds or the s sound. For example, the word think might be pronounced think or sink. When you do not pronounce the th sounds correctly in connected speak, there is a good chance people will not understand you. Some people from different cultures of the world find the idea of sticking out their tongue when they speak to be rude and offensive, even if it is to produce a th sound. However, this how Americans speak English. This is how Americans speak English. And that is something you need to get comfortable if you would like to speak well and would like to be well understood. How to create a th sound correctly? In order to produce a th sound correctly, you need to first stick your tongue out between your teeth and bite down slightly, then blow. That's how you do it. Stick out your tongue and then bite slightly and then blow. If you want to make a voice, you just vibrate. Make sure that your vocal cord vibrate. Voiceless, no vibration. The sounds come from the earth's friction and it should be very loud. You should keep your tongue flat and maintain a steady flow of air. If you get to master the th sound, you will notice a great change when you speak. So allow me to show you some example of voice th. Those, those, this, them, them, that, together, 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 though, whether, whether, they, mother, mother, other, than. Notice that your vocal cords vibrate as you pronounce these words. It means that you're pronouncing it right. Let's see example of voiceless ths. Think, think, three, thick, think, athlete, truthful, healthy, month, path, math, tooth, tooth. Uh, Notice that in the voiceless TA sound, there's no vibration of the vocal cords. Thank you so much. That's gonna be it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. See you next time.